everyone. Welcome to Crispy Info. As we all know that the Constitution of India has borrowed most of its provisions from the constitutions of various other countries. So today we will discuss some of the features that have been borrowed from the different sources or different countries. So starting from the Government of India Act 1935. So we have borrowed federal scheme, office of governor, judiciary, public service commissions, emergency provisions, and administrative details. Now we will see some of the important features that have been borrowed from the British Constitution. So we took parliamentary government, rule of law, legislative procedure, single citizenship, cabinet system of government, prerogative writs, like those writs that is mentioned in Article 32, parliamentary privileges, and bicameralism. From the US Constitution, we have taken fundamental rights that is mentioned in Article 12 to 35 under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Independence of judiciary, judicial review, impeachment of president, that is in Article 61, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges, and post of vice president. We have also taken equal protection of law, the concept of equal protection of law from the US Constitution. From the Irish Constitution, that is the Constitution of Ireland, we have acquired directive principles of state policy, that is DPSP, in part 4 of the Indian Constitution. Then nomination of members to the Rajya Sabha and method of election of the president, because the type of method of the election of president in India, we have taken it from the Irish Constitution. Then we will see about the Canadian Constitution, like some of the features that have been borrowed from the Canadian Constitution. So federation with a strong center, vesting of residuary powers in the center, appointment of state governors by the center. So those governors who are appointed in various states, this feature has been borrowed from the Canadian Constitution. And advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Then from the Australian Constitution, concurrent list, freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse, joint sitting of the two houses of the parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And also from the Australian Constitution, we have taken language of preamble. Then from the Germany, that is Weimar Constitution of Germany, suspension of fundamental rights during emergency. So whenever there is emergency, there is suspension of fundamental rights, and it is mentioned in Article 358 and Article 359. From the Soviet Union, that is USSR, now Russia, we have taken fundamental duties mentioned in Article 4A, Part 4A, and that is in Article 51A. The idea of justice, that is social, economic, and political justice, in the preamble from the Russian Revolution. Russia has acquired this. From the French Constitution, and one more, like from the Soviet Union, the 5-year plan. 5-year plan from the Russia. This feature has also been taken from the Russian Constitution, or we can say we have borrowed it from the Russian Constitution. French Constitution, the republic and the ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity in the preamble. So, in the preamble, it is mentioned about the liberty, equality, and fraternity in the preamble. Now, from the South Africa, we have acquired procedure for amendment of the constitution, that is Article 368 talks about it, Article 368, and election of members of Rajya Sabha. From the Japan constitution, procedure established by law. So this is all for today. I hope it will be helpful for you guys for the upcoming examination. Have a great day, and please subscribe this channel for more videos related to Constitution of India. Thank you so much.